We've all been there. You're going about your day, minding your own business, when bam! You spot them, those tiny, wriggling black worms creeping around like they own the place. Don't panic. We're about to tackle this problem head-on. I'm talking simple DIY solutions using stuff you probably already have around the house. We'll get rid of these little guys and keep them from coming back. Let's do this. First things first, let's identify the culprit behind the nuisance. Those little black worms you're seeing, they're not just any worms. They're most likely drainfly larvae, a common household pest. They love damp, grimy places like your sinks, showers, and yes, even your drains. Knowing what we're dealing with is half the battle in this fight. These little guys thrive in filth, so our goal is to make their home environment as unappealing as possible to them. Time to roll up our sleeves and get ready for some serious cleaning action. We're not just talking about a quick tidy up, we're diving into a deep clean. So grab your rubber gloves, your favorite cleaner, and let's get started. We're aiming for a spotless, germ-free environment. This means tackling every nook and cranny. Pay special attention to those damp areas where mold and mildew love to hide: sinks, tubs, showers, and all those hard-to-reach spots. Don't forget around the base of the toilet, a common area for grime buildup. After scrubbing, make sure to wipe down all surfaces with a disinfectant. This step is crucial to kill any remaining bacteria and ensure a truly clean space. Remember, a clean house is a happy house. Not only does it look great, but it also keeps those pesky germs and worms at bay. Once you're done, take a moment to organize your cleaning supplies. Keeping them in order will make your next cleaning session even easier. Stand back and admire your hard work. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of a sparkling clean bathroom. For an extra touch, light a scented candle or use an air freshener to leave a pleasant aroma. It's the perfect finishing touch to your deep clean. Finally, wash your hands thoroughly to remove any cleaning residue. Dry them with a clean towel, and you're all set. Close the door on your freshly cleaned bathroom and enjoy the rest of your day, knowing you've done a fantastic job. Take a moment to relax and enjoy the clean, fresh environment you've created. You've earned it. Deep cleaning might be hard work, but the results are always worth it. Here's to a cleaner, healthier home. Here. Now let's tackle those drains. Drains can often become a breeding ground for all sorts of unwanted pests and grime. It's not just about the inconvenience, it's about maintaining a clean and healthy home environment. This is where those little buggers like to breed. These tiny invaders thrive in the damp, dark conditions of your drain, feeding on the organic matter that gets trapped there. Here's a simple trick. Pour a cup of baking soda down the drain. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and mild abrasive that can help scrub away the grime, followed by a cup of white vinegar. The vinegar reacts with the baking soda, creating a fizzy chemical reaction that helps to break down the gunk. Let that fizzy magic work its way through the pipes for about 30 minutes. This reaction not only helps to dislodge the grime but also neutralizes odors. Then flush with hot water. The hot water will help to wash away the loosened debris and any remaining residue. This will help break down any gunk and grime where those larvae like to hide. A clean drain is less likely to attract pests and will function more efficiently. For a stronger solution, try an enzyme-based drain cleaner. These cleaners use natural enzymes to break down organic matter, making them effective and eco-friendly. It's tougher on the grime, but gentler on your pipes. Enzyme-based cleaners are a great option for regular maintenance, keeping your drains clear and odor-free without the harsh chemicals. Regular maintenance is key. By incorporating these natural remedies into your cleaning routine, you can prevent buildup and keep your drains running smoothly. Keep your cleaning supplies handy. Having baking soda, vinegar, and an enzyme-based cleaner within reach makes it easy to tackle any drain issues as soon as they arise. With these simple natural remedies, you can wage a successful war against drain grime and pests, ensuring a cleaner, healthier home. Think of your house like a fortress. Those worms are like tiny invaders trying to breach your walls. Our job is to seal up any cracks or gaps where they might be getting in. Check around your windows, doors, and any pipes or vents that lead outside. A good quality caulk or weather stripping can work wonders in sealing up those entry points. Remember, a well-sealed house is a worm-resistant house. We've evicted those pesky worms, but our work isn't done yet. The battle against pests is ongoing, and it's crucial to stay proactive. We need to make sure they don't stage a comeback. Regular inspections of your home can help you catch any signs of pests early. That means staying vigilant and maintaining a clean and dry home environment. Wipe down surfaces regularly, keep drains clean, and ensure that food crumbs and spills are promptly cleaned up. Don't let standing water accumulate anywhere. Pests thrive in moist environments, so it's essential to eliminate any potential breeding grounds. For an extra layer of protection, consider using natural remedies. Sprinkle some diatomaceous earth around those damp areas. This natural powder is highly effective in controlling pests. It's a natural powder that dehydrates and kills insects, making it a great preventative measure. Diatomaceous earth is safe for humans and pets, but deadly for insects. Apply it in areas where pests are likely to enter, such as doorways, windowsills, and around plumbing fixtures. Regular application can significantly reduce the chances of an infestation. Additionally, seal any cracks and gaps in your home's structure. These tiny openings can be entry points for pests. Use caulk or weather stripping to close off these access points. Store food in airtight containers to prevent attracting pests. Proper food storage is a simple yet effective way to keep your home pest-free. Regularly take out the trash and clean your garbage bins. Pests are often drawn to the smell of garbage, so keeping your bins clean can help deter them. Don't forget to inspect outdoor areas as well. Trim bushes and grass regularly to reduce hiding spots for pests. Keep your yard clean and free of debris. Setting up pest traps can also be an effective way to monitor and control pest populations. Check traps regularly and replace them as needed. By following these steps, you can create a clean, safe, and pest-free environment for you and your family. Prevention truly is the key to keeping those worms at bay. Congratulations! You've successfully defended your home against those pesky little black worms. Remember, the key is to stay proactive. Keep your home clean, dry, and well-maintained, and those worms won't stand a chance. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my recommended products for tackling those tough cleaning jobs. Thanks for watching, and keep up the good fight.